Social media influencer Martins Otse, widely known as VeryDarkMan, has made startling allegations regarding the popular cross-dresser Idris Okuneye, also known as Bobrisky. According to VeryDarkMan's claims on his Instagram page, Bobrisky was reportedly apprehended by Nigerian immigration authorities at the Seme border. The alleged arrest occurred as Bobrisky attempted to cross into the Republic of Benin. VeryDarkMan stated in his video post, Bobrisky has been arrested this morning at Seme border while trying to enter the Benin Republic to escape the current investigation by the House of Representatives. He is allegedly being held by the Nigerian immigration. This alleged incident comes in the wake of recent controversies surrounding Bobrisky. VeryDarkMan had previously released an audio recording in which Bobrisky allegedly claimed to have bribed officials of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) with 15 million naira. In the same audio, Bobrisky reportedly boasted about avoiding a 6-month jail term in Kirikiri prison, attributing this to the influence of an unnamed godfather. This allegation prompted the House of Representatives to initiate an investigative hearing. However, Bobrisky failed to appear before the committee, citing illness as the reason for absence. It's important to note that these remain allegations. No official statement has been released by the Nigerian Immigration Service or any other law enforcement agency regarding Bobrisky's alleged arrest. As this story continues to develop, we stress the importance of awaiting official confirmation or denial from the relevant authorities. The implications of these allegations, if proven true, could have significant consequences for all parties involved. Stay informed with news updates at NaijaNews TV.